Day 2 of our Vegas trip. We decided to do a nature run. We're over here at Eagle Point. Say hi.
Hi. You ruined my picture.
I ruined your picture?
Yeah.
Look at
Your
that.
camera.
We're going to continue to take these views for you guys. Good shit to see. Look at this view. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. By the way, my wife is taller than me. That's right, short king. Yeah.
I thought we were taking a picture too.
No, video first. 50 cents to see magnificent views in this economy. Ridiculous. Look at that though.
We're lucky it's only 50 cents.
That's what I'm talking about. So it's a Navajo sweat lodge meant for cleansing the mind, body, and spirit. It's nice.
So
you got a
sauna.
bigger one over there. A sauna?
Yeah.
I guess so. I guess you could say that.
It said water is poured over the rocks to create steam.
You know what? That is a sauna.
Thank you.
This is amazing. Man, it's almost as beautiful as my wife, huh? Isn't that crazy? How do you feel about this?
You want to go cliff diving?
That sounds like a threat, if I'm gonna be honest. Ready? Smile, say cheese. Say cheese.
Fuck you.
Cheese. I'm gonna climb to the top here so she can get a picture. I would climb myself, but with a bad leg, and I'm a black man. Can't be doing heights. She's laughing over there. What's up? You ready?
Yeah.
So we're at the Hoover Dam, and look at that. Time to climb a lot of stairs.
68 to be exact.
68 stairs. That's awesome. All right, it's super windy, but you know, we're here at Hoover Dam.
It's windy.
Yeah, but look at this. Looks nice. I think I can build that.
How'd you like it? This is from wife's POV right here.
It was good. A lot of climbing, a lot of walking. I didn't enjoy that too much.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, it was bad. I'm tired. I'm tired now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we go eat food.
Yeah.
Fat
What are we eating?
burgers.
Okay, bye.